Ford first teased the idea of a four-door Mustang back in the 1960s, the only hint at changing the setup for this iconic vehicle, which has historically been a two-door coupe. But according to recent reports, it's possible we might see that concept take shape once again. Ford CEO Jim Farley said in 2022 that the company had considered a four-door option and even produced sketches. Last week, reports surfaced that Farley was now calling the four-door option for this classic car credible, and that dealers were even shown renderings. The design is reportedly being referred to as the Mach 4, a play on Ford's popular Mach E electric Mustang, which incidentally also features four doors, though Wired once called the likeness to the classic pony car a mere family resemblance. Farley was quoted as saying the four-door coupe idea works only if it retains the performance and attitude of the original version. But this performance and attitude may also take the form of other variants, including a rally-inspired Mustang with beefy tires and all-wheel drive, along with an RTR-tuned EcoBoost and, perhaps, a dark horse convertible with a V8, says CarScoops. It's anybody's guess as to when these prospective designs could hit production, but Auto News quoted a Ford spokesperson who says that they have very exciting plans to expand our portfolio with new vehicles at all price points. And while Ford muses these new additions, it also announced some shifts this week relating to its electrics. The company has axed a three-row electric SUV in favor of low-cost pickups and hybrids, a move the automaker hopes will enable it to sell its EVs profitably in a shorter time frame. To this end, Ford CFO John Lawler says the company is going to focus on where we have competitive advantage. Who knows? Maybe this applies to the Mustang as well. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.